Espresso. A small, concentrated shot of coffee, strong, bold, and the base of almost every other coffee. It's made by forcing hot water through finely ground beans at high pressure. Espresso actually has less caffeine per serving than a full cup of coffee, just more concentrated. Black coffee. Just brewed coffee with no milk or sugar. It contains almost 0 calories. This is the purest way to taste the flavor of the beans themselves. Americano. Espresso, diluted with hot water, smoother but still rich. It was popularized during World War II when American soldiers added water to espresso. That's why it tastes closer to traditional drip coffee. Latte. Espresso with lots of steamed milk, creamy and mild. It's one of the most popular coffees in the world. Because of the high milk content, it's also one of the lowest in bitterness. Cappuccino. Equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and foam. The thick foam layer helps hold heat for longer. Its name actually comes from monks, as the color resembles their robes. Mocha. A mix of espresso, milk, and chocolate. It's named after the Yemeni port city of Mocha, famous for coffee trading. This is often the go-to for people who don't usually like strong coffee. Flat white. Similar to a latte, but with less milk and almost no foam. The milk is steamed to a silky micro-foam texture. It originated in Australia or New Zealand. Both claim it. Cortado. Equal parts espresso and warm milk. The milk reduces acidity without overpowering the coffee. It's especially popular in Spain. Macchiato. Espresso with just a small amount of milk foam. Macchiato means stained in Italian. It's ideal if you want something strong but slightly softened. Doppio. A double shot of espresso, it's the standard espresso size in many coffee shops. Expect roughly twice the caffeine of a single shot. Long black. Hot water first, then espresso poured on top. This keeps more of the crema, the golden layer on top. It's especially popular in Australia and New Zealand. Irish coffee. Coffee mixed with whiskey, sugar, and topped with cream. It was originally created to warm up passengers on cold flights. It's more of a dessert drink than an everyday coffee. Frappuccino. A blended iced coffee drink, often sweet and creamy, popularized by Starbucks. Many versions include syrups, whipped cream, and topping, making it closer to a milkshake. Galao. A Portuguese coffee with a high milk-to-coffee ratio, typically served in a tall glass rather than a cup. It's lighter and less intense than most espresso drinks. Bulletproof coffee. Coffee blended with butter and oil. It became popular in fitness and diet communities. The idea is to provide long-lasting energy without sugar crashes. Ristretto. A shorter, more concentrated espresso shot. It uses less water, resulting in a slightly sweeter taste. Many coffee experts consider it more refined than standard espresso. Lungo. A longer espresso shot using more water. This pulls more bitterness from the coffee grounds. It has a lighter body, but a more bitter aftertaste. Red Eye. Black coffee. With an added shot of espresso, designed for a serious caffeine boost. It's often ordered by people needing extra energy, like long-distance drivers. Café au lait, half-brewed coffee, half-steamed milk. Unlike a latte, it uses regular brewed coffee instead of espresso. It's very popular in France. Affogato. A scoop of ice cream with hot espresso poured over it. It's both a dessert and a coffee in one. The contrast between hot and cold makes it unique. Iced coffee. Regular coffee poured over ice. It's quick and refreshing, but can taste slightly diluted. Often sweetened to balance the bitterness. Cold brew. Coffee steeped in cold water for 12 to 24 hours. This process reduces acidity and bitterness. It's often stronger in caffeine than regular coffee. Latte macchiato. Mostly milk with a small amount of espresso added. It's essentially the opposite of a regular macchiato. Visually, you can often see layers in the glass. Breve. Espresso with steamed half and half instead of milk. This makes it richer and creamier than a latte. It's also higher in calories due to the fat content. Cappuccino freddo. An iced version of a cappuccino. It keeps the foamy texture but is served cold, popular in warmer countries like Greece. So now you know the difference between 25 types of coffee. And next time you're staring at a menu, you'll know exactly what to order. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe for more simple explanations like this. And I'll see you in the next one.